Hello Hong Kong and hello world! Today we're gonna explore how much Cantonese do we need to know for us to shop at a local Hong Kong wet market. So if you're interested, come with us. Froi and Geri! You might be wondering why of all places we go to the wet market to check if these Hong Kongers can really speak English. Well, the answer to that is that this is where locals go. And of course, this is the best place to gauge if these people really can engage in a conversation not their own. How much here?
25.
25? One slice or per kilo? Whole thing? Okay, thank you. But English. How much?
130. How many?
Like that one.
This one,
$60?
$6.
Okay, thank you. How much? $20? Okay. Bye. English? Can you speak English? Can you speak English? I cannot understand Cantonese. Help? No, it's okay. Thank you. $40.
40 ya?
Yeah. Adobo.
Adobo.
Kaya. Kaya. Salamat. So back to the question, can they speak English? Well, the answer is it depends. It depends where you are in Hong Kong. Actually, if you go to a market where there's a large community of expats, then speaking in English would be fine. But say you go to KOWLOON or new territories, then it would be of help if you know how to speak a little bit of Cantonese. But generally, the vendors can speak in English when it comes to the prices and all. But if they can't, there will be someone who will be available to answer you. Hope this video helps. Till our next one. Bye! Don't forget to subscribe. Remember to be joyful always, prayerful at all times, and thankful in all circumstances. Stay awesome!